Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be discussing 5 stocks I'm keeping on my watch list for 2021. Please be advised that these are my opinions only. I'm not a financial advisor, so I suggest you do your own research before investing in anything. Okay, so the first stock on my watch list is DraftKings, DKNG. They're an online sports betting and fantasy content operator. They went public in April 2020 and have Michael Jordan as one of their biggest investors, who's also joined their board of directors. At the time of recording of this video, the stock price is $53.18 and has a Zacks rating of 2.3, which indicates a buy/hold position. Sports betting is only legal in a few states in the US, but there is legislation pending for most states to follow suit. Despite the legislature, fantasy leagues were deemed non-betting in 2016. The one-year chart found on Yahoo Finance shows a 270% growth of the stock. There's obviously no 5-year chart because they only went public, as I said, in April 2020. I think with a lot more people working from home and the rollout of vaccines, possibly to sportsmen, after healthcare workers and people with comorbidities, that people have a lot more time to get involved with leagues, online sports betting, and to keep themselves entertained at home. I think this is a great stock to get involved with in 2021, or at least to keep on your watch list. Next on my list is PayPal. They're an online system facilitating transactions and money transfers. They went public in 2002 under the ticker symbol PYPL. At the time of recording of this video, the stock price is $244.26. Zacks rating shows a sentiment of 1.9, indicating a buy. Recently, PayPal has included the transfer, buying and selling of cryptocurrency in the US, with rollout to the other countries to follow. They currently support Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin and Ethereum. A one-year chart shows 112% of growth, and a 5-year chart shows 680% worth of growth. Again, because more individuals are staying at home, there are more online transactions and more people are being paid for services that they've rendered remotely. And now with the inclusion of cryptocurrency, which is at the moment blooming, I think this is a great stock to keep on your watch list. Okay, the next stock I'm keeping on my watch list is CRISPR Therapeutics. They go under the ticker symbol CRSP. CRISPR Therapeutics is a gene editing company. Their primary focus is on developing transformative gene-based medicines for unusual conditions. They are based in Zug, Switzerland. At the time of recording of this video, the stock price was $189.77. Zacks rating is 2.4, which shows sentiment of a hold. Genomic research with regards to gene editing and DNA sequencing has gone a long way in 2020. This company is also one of the bigger holdings in the ARKG Genomic Revolution Fund. Most medical research companies usually show a negative revenue. This company actually turned positive in 2019. This is a very good sign for the company and the industry as a whole. 1 year shows 240% growth, and the 5-year chart shows 1,334%. Okay, I feel that the price might be a little bit high at the moment, but I feel that the market is leaning towards genomic research and DNA sequencing. So I'm waiting for a couple of little dips just to buy in, to add into my long-term portfolio. And I think it's something, guys, that if you don't want to do that, at least just keep it on your watch list. Okay, next up is Alibaba, going under the ticker symbol BABA. They're a multinational e-commerce, finance and technologies company based in China. They're also dual listed, so that means that they're on the Chinese exchanges as well as on the New York Stock Exchange. At the time of recording of this video, the stock price is $265.49. A Zacks rating of 1.6 is indicated on Yahoo Finance, and this indicates a buy/strong buy. A 1-year growth chart shows 19.45% growth, and a 5-year chart shows 277.28% growth. Okay, so let's discuss what's going on with the Chinese stocks. During the Trump administration, there was a big move to separate stocks and delist stocks from the New York Stock Exchange that were Chinese. There's obviously politics involved between the US and China. There was also a big dip in the stock because their founder, Jack Ma, just suddenly disappeared. Anyway, since then, the stock has gained momentum because he suddenly reappeared. In my opinion, even if Alibaba does get delisted from the stock exchange, it'll probably take about 3 years for this legislation to go through. This means you have 3 years to make some gains here. However, under Biden and the Democrats, I believe that they might still try and keep some China support and actually not delist these companies in the first place. I would keep this under my watch list for 2021. It's nice to have a little bit of diversification in other countries other than the US. Okay, last up on my list for today is Sony, going under the ticker symbol SNE. Sony is one of the biggest electronics manufacturers worldwide, based in Tokyo, Japan. At the time of recording of this video, the stock price was $102.89. A ZAX rating of 1.2 is indicated on Yahoo Finance. This indicates an extremely strong buy, the strongest on my entire watch list, and probably the strongest on any of my stocks that I actually own. 1 year shows 42.65% growth, and 5 years shows 373.28% growth. Sony has never really achieved their all-time high that they got in 1999/2000. I feel the stock is underperforming. They've also recently released their PS5, which is in high demand and there's very short supply. I will definitely be putting money into Sony over the next few months, and I think you guys should at least have this on your watch list. Okay guys, if you'd like me to cover a particular stock, please drop me a message or a comment below. As always, if you like the content of this video, please click subscribe, hit the like button and the bell notification to get any updates of anything new that I may post.